Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Shopify CDN apps for storefront, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Shopify CDN apps for your storefront, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the apps section on the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of all the apps currently installed on your store. Locate the CDN app you wish to uninstall. Click on the app to access its settings page. On the apps page, look for the uninstall button, typically found at the bottom or top. Click the uninstall button to begin the removal process. A confirmation pop-up may appear to verify your decision to uninstall. Confirm the action by clicking yes or confirm in the pop-up. Once confirmed, the app will be uninstalled from your store. Next, go back to the apps section to ensure the app no longer appears in your list. If the app is still visible, refresh the page to update the app list. Now, it's important to check your theme settings for any leftover code from the CDN app. To do this, navigate to the online store section on the left menu. Select Themes from the drop-down. Click on Actions next to your active theme, and then choose Edit Code. In the left sidebar, look for the Sections folder. Scan through the relevant files, often named according to the CDN app. Remove any code snippets related to the uninstalled app. Make sure to do so carefully to avoid affecting your site's functionality. After editing, click Save at the top right corner of the code editor. Now, check your storefront to confirm everything operates as expected post-uninstallation. You may also want to clear your browser's cache for accurate results. Perform a full site audit to ensure no remnants of the CDN app remain. If you encounter any issues, consider reverting recent changes in your theme settings. Finally, monitor your site performance to ensure it meets your expectations without the CDN app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.